What really sets Chinese chili oils apart is their incredibly appetizing aroma and that mouth-watering, numbing sensation from Sichuan peppercorns. A drizzle of this oil onto any dish instantly elevates it to a whole new level. Chinese crispy chili oils are versatile. They go with so many things. You can add these into stir fries, your favorite dumpling sauce, noodle soups, rice, fried rice, just whatever you like. These chili oils are really easy to make. It's super rewarding and totally worth the effort. And they definitely taste better than the store-bought versions. To begin, we'll need to infuse neutral tasting oils with lots of aromatics. There is no need to peel the ginger. Simply give it a nice rinse. Make sure to thoroughly wipe it dry. Then thinly slice. Now with the back of the knife, crush some garlic and remove the skin. They peel off very easily. Cut some shallots in half and peel their skin off. Ginger has been sliced, our garlic has been peeled, so has our shallots. So now it's time to infuse the oil. In a dry saucepan, add 1 liter of neutral tasting oil, sliced ginger, shallots, garlic, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, star anise, Sichuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. You want to use neutral tasting oils so that all the spices and the chilies can shine. I'm using sunflower oil today. You can use canola, grapeseed oil, mixed vegetable oils. I wouldn't recommend using peanut oil just because it has a really strong aroma. You can use light olive oil if you want, as long as you don't mind the subtle flavor of the olive oil. Okay, now that we've added all of the ingredients into this oil, let's put this on the stove and let it very slowly simmer for about 10 minutes to let all of the spices and the garlic and the ginger and the shallots to release its flavors. Sizzle the oil over medium-low heat. Reduce the heat to low if you think the aromatics are browning too fast. It's been 10 minutes and I've turned the heat off. My kitchen is smelling really delicious. Everything looks really good. The garlic, the shallots and the ginger are really nice and golden. Nothing is burnt, which is what we want. I'm going to let this sit for 1 more hour to let the aromas to continue release their flavors into the oil. And if you like, you can let it sit for overnight for a more intense flavor. Whenever you are ready to finish this off, turn the heat back on and get the oil nice and hot. We are then going to pour this over dried chilies to gently fry and wake them up without any risk of burning. In a large, dry, heat-proof bowl like this stainless steel one, add 1 cup of dried chili flakes, chili powder, and some sesame seeds. With a very dry spoon, give it a quick mix, and then we're ready to pour really hot oil into this bowl. I'm going to use a sieve to catch all of the spices because we don't want them in the oil. Okay, this oil is really hot right now, and now very carefully pour it into this bowl filled with dried chili. Make sure the sieve is nice and sturdy. Keep a distance just in case. Wow. Can you hear that sizzle? This hot oil is gently waking up the dried chilies and frying the sesame seeds, releasing its nutty, earthy flavors. This chili oil is smelling so delicious. Now to finish off, I'm going to season it with some salt. And just give it a mix. Be careful here, the bowl is still very hot at this stage. With these aromatics, you can just discard these, or if you don't want to be wasteful, these shallots are really flavoursome. You can add these into soups, stir fries, or you can add these into stews, and they'll just add a ton of flavour into your dish. They smell incredible. I'm going to keep the ginger, shallots and garlic. The best way to store chili oils is to put them in jars. I've got these small ones here, they're 300 ml jars. Today I made just enough for 4. These smell really good. With the remaining aromatics, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the star anise back in to let it continue to infuse the oil, and also it looks quite nice. I think I have exactly 4. I've got 2 cinnamon sticks and I'm just going to halve them. So I can put 1 into each jar. They break off really easily. Oh, they smell so good. Look at this color, you guys. If only you can smell through my camera. And of course, you can make this more or less spicy depending on how much dried chili flakes and chili powder you add. These chili oils last a really long time. I like to store them in the fridge. Oh, scared me. This recipe can easily be doubled or tripled to make even more chili oils and keep them all to yourself, or you can give these away to family and friends. My favorite way of using chili oil is drizzle them onto dumplings, like my previous wontons and crispy chili oil video. I'll put the link down below so you can check them out if you like. And of course you can find the full recipe of this Chinese crispy chili oil on my website at casuallypackaged.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, you've learned something from this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe video.